Welcome back to this very short video about Crypto.com Supercharger pool. All you need to know and how it's going to work coming up now. There are only a few hours left before you can start depositing your CRO into the liquidity mining platform. But how much money can you make with this method? Let's get right into it. How it's going to work is actually very simple. The first 30 days are called the charging period. You can deposit and take out CRO to the Supercharger pool at any time. After 30 days you will receive daily rewards depending on the liquidity provided in the charging period. They are giving away $500,000 worth of Uniswap tokens. Unfortunately, not every country is allowed to join this offer. For example, it's not available in the US. Let's go a little bit deeper into the terms and conditions. We went over the first part of this article about how the Supercharger works. To summarize the keynotes, the charging period is 30 days. After those 30 days, you will get daily payouts in Uniswap depending on your contribution. To keep it very simple, your rewards will depend on how many people are joining this pool. The fewer people, the better for you. That's why at the moment we can't really say how many Uniswap tokens you'll get, because we don't know how many people will join the pool. The allocation is $500,000 worth of Uniswap tokens. All you have to do once you've decided to join the Supercharger pool is to log into the exchange. If you are not signed up yet, there is a link in the description. Use it to get $50 of CRO for free. When the pool becomes available, you simply deposit CRO from the exchange to it. You can calculate your rewards, but as we mentioned before, those calculations are not accurate, because you don't know how many people are going to participate. Some questions you might ask yourself. There is a minimum deposit of 100 CRO. You can deposit and withdraw as many times as you like. The next point is important. You won't receive the 20% staking rewards for CRO you deposited into the liquidity pool. So it's a bit of a gamble. Do you take the 20% you know you are going to get with staking, or do you think you can make more by joining the Supercharger pool? We will try it for 1 month and show you the result in November. Maybe we will make more, maybe we will make less. We'll have to wait and see. However, we think Uniswap is a great project, and we would love to get some tokens. Sadly, you can't join this offer if you are living in the US, China, or Hong Kong. Let us know what you think about the liquidity platform. Are you going to join the pool? In a few hours we are going to deposit our CRO to the platform. We hope to charge as Goku does in this clip. That would be awesome. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing. We will see you in the next video. Bye for now.